Hipshot Grip Lock 6 Inline Non-Staggered Locking Tuners Black. These are genuine, factory-fresh Hipshot Grip Lock tuners for 6 inline headstocks with D07 mini buttons finished in black and with full manufacturer warranty. These tuners have non-staggered posts, suitable for all 6 inches line headstocks that tilt back, such as the Gibson Explorer. If your headstock does not tilt back, as on a Strat or Tele, you need a 6 inline staggered set. We keep a massive inventory of Hipshot Grip Lock guitar tuners, including the custom buttons, left hand and 7-string. Shinar stainless steel double guitar wall hanger guitar holder wall mount, bracket holder for acoustic and electric guitars with 3-hook wall shelves hair dryer holder wall mounted for home. Multifunction guitar hook. Firstly, our wall guitar hanger can hang the guitar, small draw and show all guitar accessories, such as guitar pick, straps, tuner, guitar capos and so on. With the special hooks. Sondery guitar wall mount hanger, auto lock and adjustable hook holder for acoustic and electric guitar, ukulele, bass, banjo and mandolin 2-pack. For all walls, super decorative solid black color wood base for wall mounting on bricks wall, drywall, stud or wood. Easy and simple to mount in seconds by its unique push and turn design. Donner guitar wall mount hanger 6-pack, black walnut guitar wall holder for acoustic electric guitars, bass, folk ukulele, violin, mandolin, banjo, and string instruments. The Donner guitar wall mount base is made of black walnut. It feels good in the hand and looks elegant, makes your guitar look nobler than other ordinary wall mounts, and also protects the surface of the guitar from scratches. User-friendly design. The guitar wall hanger is made of solid stainless steel, soft rubber sleeve, and removable rubber ring, which can better protect your guitar.